Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the PivotBoss pre-market video for Monday, June 8th, 2020. I am Frank Ochoa, aka PivotBoss. Before we get to the charts, I want to invite PivotBoss Masters members to our 5-day live training, which starts this week tonight at from 5 to 6 p.m. We'll jump onto our first live training here, which will be finding trades with squat and non-squat bars. Tuesday, Wednesday will be live trading sessions, and then Thursday we'll be introducing a new PivotBoss Advanced Volume Indicator, and on Friday another live trading session. Again, for those of you who are PivotBoss Masters members, this is free training included with your lifetime membership. If you're not a PivotBoss Masters member, then you are in for a treat. We have a special offer for those of you who want to jump into PivotBoss Masters here. You'll get included with our PivotBoss Masters training. You'll get also the 3-part course Swing Trade Pro 1.0, which is a $395 value. You'll also get 1 free month of trading room access, which is a $99 value. You'll also be allowed to jump into the 5-day live training, and all of this is a 30-day 100% money back guarantee. This is a risk-free offer. If you want to learn more about PivotBoss Masters, you can go to pivotbossmasters.com/profits. and you can read more about our Masters training, which includes on-demand training that's already on the dashboard. For core training, proprietary training, you get all of the PivotBoss Masters proprietary indicators, scans, and tools for various platforms. This is a one-time fee, and you receive lifetime access, and all future training, all future indicators are yours, included at no additional value, and all future live training like the one we're seeing this week, again, yours at no additional cost ongoing. So again, every time we have these 1 or 2 times a year, you will be invited, and any new indicators that come along as well will be yours. So again, a great risk-free offer here for you to join in with our PivotBoss Masters members. This training is for live intraday types of trading, whether it's scalping, day trading, etc. It's also swing trading, investing, all those various types of trading is included with PivotBoss Masters, as our analysis and tools are universal to all time frames and types and styles of markets. So again, this is a fantastic opportunity to jump in with our PivotBoss Masters members. Go to pivotbossmasters.com/profits for more information. All right, let's take a look here at the ES right now. The ES is currently holding just above the previous session's close here at the highs. We have a narrow range heading into the day so far, just 28.25 points of range, 47% of average range, and we continue to push higher here, breaking through recent resistance at 31.40 and continuing higher Friday. Today, again, this market remains very, very bullish. Very difficult to step in front of the train when it's going this high, this fast. If there is a failure to hold 31.80 today, there could be an opportunity to trap for late bears there, and then see another afternoon squeeze. A failure to hold 31.80 overall could lead to a bit more of a pullback. We have not seen a move back toward the 8-period average in quite a while. Ever since we jumped off here late in March, this thing has been straight up and has not even tested the 8-period. At some point we may see a snapback, but again, everything continues to be a buying opportunity until proven otherwise. All right, let's take a look now at the NQ. The NQ right now trading 44% of average range. It pushed beyond the previous session's high price and has now pulled back again. A narrow range of 90 points. It's been averaging about 204 points per day on a 10-day basis. You can see again the 8-period average has been very, very bullish here, as every time it gets into the PIMA trigger zone, it has been a buying opportunity. The last time we tested it was right here, and it jumped. Again, we could pull back as deep as that PIMA trigger zone around 9,600 this week, and it could still be a buying opportunity until proven otherwise. All right, let's take a look now at crude oil. Right now, crude oil is off of the recent highs. It did hit overnight highs beyond the $40 level, reaching 40.44. So a nice continuation here from the $10 level all the way to 40 bucks here. We had this as a continuation pattern toward 40 to 42 after we saw this narrow range develop. The breakout here has been steady and continuous toward that 40 to 42 target. Up above, we have a major LVN at 40, and we also have the falling 200 200-day average here that's coming in to play as well. So again, any push into that zone could be a profit-taking opportunity, but very similar to the ES and the NQ right now, this market remains extremely bullish until proven otherwise. And again, any failure to hold the trigger zone could be that indication that we could fail a bit more. But right now, until that happens, pullbacks continue to be buying opportunities on a swing basis. Lastly, looking at gold futures. This one is up off the lows right now. Again, we've been talking about that 1704.30 level. Very important level right there. 1704.30 is this line that comes across these highs. You can see it's the key range high here. Price has developed a box above that range right there. And at the moment, we're seeing price, after closing below the 1704.30 level, we're seeing price come back into it this morning. If price cannot reestablish back above 1704.30 quickly, we could begin to see this thing head back toward the 1575s. So that's the midpoint of this key range. It's also the 200-day average here. So again, if price can't reestablish back above 1704s, then we could be looking at a continuation downward. Back above 1704s leads to another squeeze toward the top of the range, and we will stay inside the trading range until further notice. So again, we are building this large range. It has been over 2 months in the making now. Eventually, when we get that move, it's going to be a pretty significant breakout with some follow through behind it. So we'll see how this continues to play out, but continue to watch 1704.30. All right, that is it for now. We'll see how this plays out heading into the rest of the session. Good luck, trade well, and I'll see you in the trading room. Take care.